Hey there, welcome to Focus Flix. In this video, we will discuss about how to run Java programs for Visual Studio Code. So, for that, I have Java Coding Pack and JDK. So, let's copy and paste it. So let's try installing first JDK. Click on next. Again, click on next. So close. So we have installed JDK 12. Sorry, JDK 21 64-bit. So let's try installing Java Coding Pack. The Java Code Pack is available on the Google. You can download it from there. Click on next. Click on install. So it will take few minutes. So the installation is complete. So uncheck this mark. So finish.